Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Password and Security. Following that, click on Face at the top right corner and click on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up. Now you need to enter your current login method and tap on Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can manage all of those options however you wish to, and when you're done, go back. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!